Hey friends, it's Kyla, and I'm so excited to share with you a favorite recipe of mine, banana muffins and cashew cheese. I make this at least twice per month. It's that good. And the best part is it's sugar-free, vegan, and guilt-free. Let's get into it. Okay, to make this recipe, you're gonna need 6 to 8 very ripe bananas. And the reason they need to be very ripe is because we need them very sweet. And we're not using sugar in this recipe. So go ahead and let those get as dark and ripe as possible. The other thing you'll need to make these banana muffins vegan is egg replacer. Now you can use a flaxseed egg. I like to use the egg replacer that I buy at my supermarket, and I'm making enough to make 2 eggs here, combining that with water, mixing thoroughly, and then we're gonna go ahead and crush those with the bananas. Okay, so once you've combined the egg replacer and the bananas, mashing those out thoroughly, we're gonna need to sweeten this recipe with either maple syrup or honey. Now remember, this is a sugar-free recipe, so go ahead and choose whatever you prefer. I like the flavor of maple syrup with this. Also, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm also adding 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, as well as 6 tablespoons of avocado oil, and we're gonna also add a cup of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. Finally, we'll add 2 2/3 cups whole wheat flour, gently combining that with the mixture. We don't want to overmix it or else the muffins will be too hard. And we're also gonna add walnuts. This is optional. I like this with walnuts. You can add about a half cup of chopped walnuts here, and I'm gently folding those in to the banana bread mixture. Once you're done folding in the walnuts, go ahead and prep your muffin tins, greasing them, and bake those at 375 degrees for 22 minutes. While our muffins are baking, we're gonna make our cashew cheese. You're gonna need 1 cup of soaked raw cashews, as well as the juice of 1 lemon. And 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, 1 tablespoon tahini, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 cup of oil, and a 1/4 cup of water. You can also add some pepper, that's optional. Blend in a food processor or blender until it's creamy. This might take about 3 minutes or so, depending on the type of blender you're using. And then scoop out that wonderful creamy mixture. Resist the temptation to lick the blender and put it into your container of choice. Put this in the fridge for a few hours or overnight so it can get a little bit thicker and not as runny looking as it does here. And now we are all set to enjoy these muffins with our vegan cashew cheese. Folks, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is one of my favorite breakfast options. I take these out, I toast them in the toaster oven, spread that cashew cheese all over it. It is divine. It is absolutely divine and guilt-free. Shout out to ifoodreal.com for the recipe on the sugar-free banana muffins, which I edited to make them vegan, as well as Deliciously Ella for the cashew cheese recipe. Do try it. I really want to know what you think. These are really, really good. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button below and comment and let me know your thoughts. Ciao for now.